Ending all speculation, 32 Matarbari Constituency MLA Abhishek Debroy has been appointed as the new president of the Tripura State BJP unit. The official appointment was made by BJP National General Secretary and Tripura in charge Nitin Nabeen. The leadership transition follows a period of intense deliberation sparked by the expiration of former State President Rajiv Bhattacharya's official tenure, who had been serving in an interim capacity. Bhattacharya's tenure faced severe scrutiny and mounting allegations concerning the proliferation of illegal syndicates, land mafias and narcotics trafficking networks within the state. Critics and party insiders point out that unchecked institutional corruption and widespread groupism had begun alienating dedicated grassroots supporters, with several threatening to exit the party framework. Furthermore, administrative lapses and friction with alliance partners had increasingly complicated governance. With the village committee elections concluded, the newly appointed leadership faces an immediate challenge to cleanse the organizational image. Debroy's primary focus will be stabilizing the party machinery ahead of the upcoming municipal polls and building a clean, cohesive strategy for the crucial 2028 assembly elections. Party insiders note that his disciplined and dedicated track record as a former BJP Committee district president strongly impressed the central leadership, earning him this major organizational promotion. All eyes will be now on the newly appointed president to see how successfully he strengthens the party's grassroots organization across the state in the coming days. Pure Report, Chini, Khorang.